Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to update network adapter drivers on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So generally it is important to keep your drivers up to date also with network drivers. Updating the driver for the network adapter can enhance both its performance and reliability and preventing conflicts, getting the most out of your hardware. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, so type mo na dito yung device manager. And then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung open. And then dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network adapters. Okay, ito siya. So, kailangan mo lang i-click yan, yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step ay kung paano ba natin i-update ito ating network adapters. So, select mo lang dito kung ano yung connection na ginagamit natin. Okay, so yung ating Intel Wi-Fi. So, select mo lang ganyan and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung update driver. And then pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. So, select ka lang dito sa dalawang options. And then, kailangan mo lang itap tong search automatically. So, click mo lang yan. And then, automatic mga kaibigan, makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay? So, in the next technique naman na pwede natin gawin. So, dito lang ulit sa network adapters. So, select ka lang dito kung anong gusto mong i-update. And then next ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung kanyang properties. Click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito sa taas yung driver. So, click mo lang yan. At makikita mo na dito mga kaibigan yung lahat ng kanyang driver details. So, mayroon dito yung kanyang driver provider, driver date, yung driver versions, and then yung digital signer mga kaibigan. And then dito naman ay nandito yung updating po niya. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-click to update driver, or kung gusto mo naman tignan yung kanyang driver details, i-click mo lang yan. Or kung gusto mo naman itong disabled, meron din dito and uninstall. And then next, click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to update the network adapter drivers in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.